Hi everyone, I'm Vicky. As we all know, AI is changing everything, not just what clients expect, but how we meet those expectations and deliver value every day. Take something as simple as building a custom dashboard to access critical data you need to make decisions. In the past, it took multiple steps, multiple people, and sometimes weeks to get it right. In an AI-powered environment, that kind of delay just isn't necessary anymore. Today I'm going to show you how Kantata's Generative BI tool provides a faster, smarter way to access your business intelligence. With it, you can simply ask a question in plain English and instantly get the insights you need. This gives anyone the ability to create, explore, and edit reports without needing deep BI experience, while surfacing the insights that matter most and saving valuable time. With Kantata Gen BI, no previous BI experience is required because with our solution, anyone can build dashboards with formula using AI and plain English. Kantata Gen BI goes beyond surface level reporting and allows users to scenario plan, anomaly detect, and have predictive analysis. This is an example of an executive summary dashboard designed to give leaders a clear snapshot of their business all in one place. The first thing I'm going to do is ask a question. This is where the power of Gen BI really shines. I can ask in plain English any question regarding this dashboard, such as what was the actual versus forecast revenue in Q2 2025. As it's getting that data, you would also have seen that it saves my previous questions. So this is showing me total revenue for Q2 2025 as we asked it to. So my total actual revenue is $890,000 versus my forecast revenue of $1.1 million. That's the rolled up view. But as you can see, there are other charts detailing the information in different ways. Now what's very cool is if I don't like the chart, I can simply change it. Now this is all great, but I don't want to have to come in here every time I want to see this information. With Kantata's Gen BI, I don't have to do that. I have a couple of options. The first thing I could do is simply share this with other team members. The second thing I could do is post this to my main summary dashboard, the dashboard that we saw initially. And the third and final thing is create a metric generation. A metric generation is a natural language calculation, so I don't need to go and learn SQL or know the Kantata data model. So as an example, I'm going to ask Kantata to calculate billable utilization. And I'm going to build a formula using a description of the formula that I want to create. So for example, actual hours where billable is true divided by the available hours, multiply the whole thing by 100 to make it a whole percentage, and simply build that. As Kantata builds that formula using natural English language, I can then use that formula, copy and paste that formula into reports and dashboards, etc. So the next thing we'll take a look at is anomalies. This is an automated feature that alerts you to anomalies in your data. Think of them as a smart way to do exception reporting. So on my dashboard right now, we can see an unusual data pattern for my actual fees. Usually they're $13,000, and in August they were $0. So Kantata Gen BI allows me to explore this anomaly. Now, here are the fees. Here are the fees fairly constant, but on this date, they are $0 or nearly $0. Kantata not only highlights this to me, it also tells me what was contributing to this. You can also play with filters to tailor this even further. Finally then, the next value add that Kantata Gen BI can now give your business is data stories. Data stories are a way of letting you create a narrative style insight by combining your existing reports with text. Think of it like annotating your charts on steroids. It gives me a full strategic report that explains my data in natural language English. I don't have to interpret this myself, and it makes a really shareable document or format. So with these, you'll see Kantata can identify seasonal patterns, and even towards the end of this story, an implementation roadmap for the changes. Some pretty cool stuff. I can even change a paragraph into bullet points, just at the click of 2 buttons here. I also have the ability to change the style of the story or the document, again, by a simple click of the button. And finally, I also have the ability to change these. And finally, I also have the ability to change this from a document to a slide deck. Again, a click of a button. All highly configurable, very simple to do, and I don't need to know BI tools to do this. Kantata Gen BI for easy natural language insights at your fingertips. Thanks again for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the session, and we look forward to seeing you again next time.